Nature is a universal healer. It can have the vine that tangle, heal the skin that will scatter, and wake a soul can reside in someone's untold story. This is called Nirvana at lakeside. I sit curly on the deserted beach bench, baking a lake divine sonnet with a wistful autumn zephyr, my head in her arms. Oh, weirdly dizzy, as if a herd of starbirds on a parched, rocky desert, desperately seeking help from strangers, for the recitation of their effort brothers, in an irritated language, withered purple roses dripping unwillingly from the closed shutters of my eyes, piercing my benumbed skin, as if icy crystal marble descend to torment the past of the soul. The worms making its heads and eating up edges with a scribble. My bird hits me, the outpour with a freezing sound. As I plunge into the water, at life's own secrets, the wishes will surely keep. Breaking free from the cocoa wilderness, the delicate watcher mentally earthbound. In a world of one color, the sound of wind, exquisitely telling in a chimera of cornfield, as if the moon had flowered. As I peel off its bottled flesh, weird skin glistens like coral under the morning sun, housing nests for desert butterflies. Vapor thin wings still quiver, sharing birds in bread. Skin-soaked consciousness bound in my blunt blood, transporting co-winter weeds to the embodiment. At the end of my suffering, there was a door, where the sun opens, early morning eyes, glasses are misty, the water is silent, droplets softly sing, aching frenzied mind with the emptiness of emptiness. Only to find a voice from the center of my life came a great fountain, deep blue shadows on azure sea water. Thank you.